LudokidTV.
Ludo cat, what are you doing?
Pouring flour, kneading dough, I'm making a pizza.
Ludo cat, what are you doing?
Rolling round, rolling flat, shaping up the pizza.
Ludo cat, what are you doing?
Yummy sauce, red and sweet, spreading on the pizza.
Ludo cat, what are you doing?
Lots of cheese, grated cheese, sprinkling on the pizza.
Ludo cat, what are you doing?
Olives here, peppers there, decorating the pizza.
Ludo cat, what are you doing?
Oven's hot, baking time, waiting for the pizza.
Ludo cat, what are you doing?
Slicing up triangles, cutting up the pizza.
Ludo cat, what are you doing?
Munch and crunch, yum, 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 eating up the pizza.
Ludo cat, what are you doing?
Waving hands, smiling bright, waving to you all now.
Ludo cat, what are you doing?
See you soon, bye for now, saying my goodbye now.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun.